I was sent this product at no cost for the purpose of this review, so let's go ahead and take it out of the box and check it out. All right, so inside the box, you're gonna find a manual, a carpenter's pencil, and then the 2 batteries. And if you look at them, they look a lot like a Makita battery. And they should work. So let me try putting these on a Makita charger to make sure that they charge properly. Then we can test them out. All right, so as you can see here, I put this battery in the Makita charger and it is charging them, which is basically this light right here. And when it is fully charged, it should turn green like this. All right, so the battery has been charging for a while and it is now showing green. So the battery did charge fine on the Makita charger. I'm gonna charge this other one up just so we have them both charged up. Then let's go see how well these run in the trimmer. All right, so this is my Makita string trimmer that I would normally run this battery in here, but we're gonna go ahead and try one of these aftermarket batteries here and see how well it does. So the battery fits in my string trimmer with no problem. It slid in just the same way that the factory battery would, and it turns on and recognizes it without issue. So let's start it in low. No problem. Now let's go to high. So it seems to run it on both speeds with no problem. So let me give it some work to do, see how well it does. So I trimmed all of that high grass that was on the side of the ranch fence there and had no trouble. It was running exactly like I would expect it to run. So that wasn't an issue. And this thing is still showing full battery. Now, I'm not sure exactly how accurate these readers are on not just these batteries, but any batteries. But basically they're reading the voltage of the cells in there, and the cells are still saying they're good to go. So yeah, I definitely think that these would be good batteries. Only time will tell on longevity, but performance-wise, they're doing great. So yeah, I definitely plan on using these batteries, and I don't see why they won't do as good, if not better, than the battery I already have. So I hope this review was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.